hello and say laters. Bye. Just like my hair here is messy. And your smiling faces and wondering what I'm doing. I'm new to this, can you tell? Does that sound right? Hello, how are you? Just thought I'd pop in and say hi and then let you know that I'm creating a whole bunch of hocus pocus. I'm upcycling an old jar into a little, what would you call it? It's decor, there you go, for Halloween time. So any jar that you have around the house, you can craft into other things. Clay is literally $2, I believe it was, from the dollar store. Or you can Amazon it. The eyeball in itself is from a Halloween store. It was a prop, and the eyelashes were from the dollar store as well. Clay, when it dries out, it cracks, as you can see, but I kind of like it. A little bit vintage-y. I apparently can't do normal too well. It's an acquired skill to be normal, apparently. So I just want to pop in and say thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you've stuck with me all this time, then you were entertained enough or was curious enough to watch. Hope you stick around. It means a lot. Try it out. It is something fun. Maybe something you can do with your kids, and you just need to learn something new. Just something new. Try it out. Let me know in the comments.